Hello everyone, I'm Mamta Narula and today I'm going to discuss a very important topic for the educators, that is technology in teaching. You all must agree with me that teaching in class today is very different from teaching 10 years back. Nowadays we are teaching digital natives. They are born in or after the introduction of digital technologies. But are we making any change in our style of teaching, or are we teaching them in the same old way? Earlier students used to come to school to get knowledge from teachers, but now they have access to any information on internet. In fact, today kids are already familiar with Googling it to find answers to their questions. Studies show that students are quite open to using technologies for learning, and they're aware of new technologies such as virtual reality, video games, mobile apps, and they're using social media to connect, consume, and create information in unimaginable ways. But it is very important for us to know that just because kids know how to use Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, doesn't mean that they know how to use technology to enhance their learning. So the role of educator is very important in bringing technology integration in the classroom and letting kids know the responsible use of technology. As the economy shifts and technologies such as robotics, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and the machine learning improve, countries need to update their curriculum in order to train students with the new skills for 21st century. One of the greatest benefits for technology in classroom is making student workplace ready. Many jobs that exist today did not exist in 2004. Jobs like app developers, digital marketing managers, Uber drivers, social media managers, cloud computing specialists were not there earlier. One estimate suggests that 65% of children entering primary school today will ultimately end up working in completely new job types that aren't in our radar yet. So we are currently preparing students for the job that doesn't yet exist. So by teaching students how to use technology to learn, research, collaborate, and solve problems at an early age will better prepare them for their careers. And we as educators have a big role to play in this. So it is very important for educators to know that use of technology can transform the learning space and better prepare our students for future. The changes point towards a diverse learning style that adapt to each child instead of each child adapt to the school. The changes is offered from teacher-centered, teacher-controlled classroom to a classroom where teacher is more of facilitator than a director of learning. So I'm going to share some of the different ways in which technology can be used in your classroom to engage your students, to facilitate exciting, engaging, and interesting lessons. So the first one is blogging. You can have a class blog or a subject blog which can benefit students by providing supplement support 24/7. A blog can serve as a central location that can contain material relevant to the subject such as videos, assignments, quizzes, mind maps, model answers, and many more. Students can also be encouraged to make their own blogs or work in groups to present their work in the form of a blog post rather than making a project file. And students can see and comment on each other's work. Second one is project-based learning. Doing or starting some project where students with diverse interests and abilities can participate, and also they are able to relate the theory they learn with the real world. Project work can include plays, poem recitation, poster making, newsletter designing, giving presentation, video conferencing with the industrial experts, movie making competition, virtual field trips, and lot more. And please, you have to ensure that there is practically something for every type of child in your class. Also, the content which is created by students can be shared through blogs or websites. The third is use tools for leveraging technology in teaching. There are a lot of free technology tools which are available online. Educators can make use of these tools like videos, animations, comics, flashcards, quiz generators, mind maps, online games to make their lessons more engaging and interesting. Now you must be thinking that how should we do this? But before I tell you that, I want to assure you one thing, that technology will not replace us. Rather, it will make our work easier and more efficient. So for the beginners, I will suggest three things. First is dive in. Start playing, exploring, trying the technology tools available online. Lot of step-by-step tutorial videos are there on how to use these tools. Please remember, you won't break anything. Find out what works out best for your students and try different tools and discover them. Second is keep yourself updated. One of the most useful ways you can use technology is to keep yourself up to date on the latest development in the field of education. What are other teachers doing? Read blogs, join some teachers network, get active on a social media, and there are a lot of free platforms where you can learn the technology tools at your own pace, sitting at home. Third is be patient. Change is never easy, but do not give up. You will be less confident for a while as you cover yourself with the new, and it's okay. Things are always changing, which means you will always be learning and growing, much like a student. I hope you will be able to realize the importance of incorporating technology in teaching and how it can benefit us and our students. I wish you all a happy learning, sharing and growing. Bye.